Imagine this. AI tutors grade homework in seconds, design lesson plans, and drill students with personalized practice. Test scores rise, budgets shrink, efficiency climbs. This is Jobs on the Edge, a Skimmy Stories series about the future of work. For administrators, it looks like progress. But for teachers, the ground shifts. Marking papers and planning lessons vanish. Fewer are hired, and those who remain are told to supervise while the software teaches. Yet something is missing. AI can explain algebra, but it can't see when a student's confidence cracks. It can correct an essay, but it can't ask why the student wrote it that way. The classroom doesn't disappear. It changes. Teachers shift from giving answers to noticing, encouraging, and connecting. They become the human presence that keeps learning alive, the steady force that builds confidence, sparks ambition, and shapes futures. The spark that no algorithm can replace. Proof that machines can process, but only humans can inspire. That's today's Skimmy story. Jobs on the Edge. We skimmy information, your noise filter. Subscribe here on YouTube, follow us on Instagram, and listen on Spotify or Apple Podcasts.